Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you my new project, but before we do that, I want to give a shout out to our new sponsors, Lucky LABO. If you don't already know who Lucky LABO is, they're an online store that specializes in JDM goods and have a main focus on Skyline and Silvia parts. They got stuff ranging from the body flags, driving gloves, stickers, also licensed sellers of these JDM AC vent cup holders, and they also got Broadway mirrors. And my favorite, these Ecosia air fresheners. Make your car smell so good. I absolutely love the smell of the squash air fresheners. That's why I bought several of them. We'll go ahead and open this up. Refreshing. And they also fit perfectly in these cup holders. Look at that. Look at that. You could also just have it like this. Turn on your AC. And get all that beautiful squash smell right in your face. So there you have it. If you want to check them out, I have a link down in the description. If you want to buy anything on the store, you can use the code TEAMLABO and get 15% off your next order. But without further ado, let's get back to the video. But yes, this is it. This is my new 1983 Yamaha piano. No, but actually, it's a Seca. Seca, I don't know how you pronounce it. S-E-C-A. So we're gonna just nickname it the Caca Seca. I don't know why, but we're just gonna do it. I've already done a few things to this, like delete the airbox. Just can't get there. But one thing we really need to do is give this thing a clean. This thing is absolutely filthy. Super dusty and oily. And oh my gosh, that paint's chipping so much. So go ahead and spray some degreaser and get a little scrub, wash it. Maybe it'll look better. So yeah guys, that's just a short introduction to the new project. The next video you see on the bike is going to be me working on the carbs. So I got the carbs here. And I got a rebuild kit. So that's what you can be expecting. But yeah, that's going to be it. So thank you for watching and we'll catch you in the next video.